Hello. I don't know about you, but I had people in my life who gave me a chance. They looked beyond experience and skill and simply saw the potential. Maybe they saw more in me than I could see in myself at the time, and I will always be grateful for that. When I hear that there is a lack of people in the labor market, it drives me bananas. Do you know what I think is missing? Great workplace cultures where people actually want to work, and people who can lead a qualified job interview and assess a person beyond the resume. It takes a great interviewer who is willing to understand that there are people who simply don't perform well in an interview. Give people a chance. Have you come across the interview question, do you have Canadian experience? Many employers devalue or discount foreign experience, and that's why this crazy question is still being asked. How should an immigrant get Canadian work experience if nobody gives him or her a chance? Did you know that based on the Human Rights Code, you have to consider all work experience, Canadian and foreign? Canadian experience is not a good way to tell if someone has the right skills or experience to do a job. Give people a chance. A person is stressed or rude at work? Offer coaching or training, which means you give the person a chance. You may interview a person whose resume doesn't match 100% what you are looking for, but the person can possibly be trained. Give the person a chance. In short, we need more people in the workplace who have the courage to be human and give people a chance. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.